nobody who can make a solid argument that we're not going to win. District 1 is going to take the dub.
Who put this map together? I'm going to tell you, as a representative of District 3, this ain't a fair fight. Because first thing we're going to do is we're going to put Florida Man on the front lines. And there ain't no telling what he's going to do. He could take all y'all out by himself. Or he could show up naked and rob all your Burger Kings. If that don't work, here comes the trifecta. That's Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi. And I'm going to tell you, if these Hunger Games disrupt the college football season in any way, trifecta's going to be really mad. Next comes Tennessee. And I tell you what, when they come crawling up out of the Smoky Mountains all jacked up on moonshine and Mountain Dew, it ain't going to be pretty. Next up is Texas, and you do not want to mess with Texas. That's their whole slogan, don't mess with Texas. I mean, that's the only state that can get away with something like that. I mean, you don't hear people say don't mess with Utah, because you can mess with Utah. Lord, I didn't even mention the secret weapon, and that's Louisiana, because if we have to interrupt them from cooking gumbo, they're going to come whoop your tail, and you're not going to understand a word they're saying when they do.